This is Donlyn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today I'm going to be making California rolls. I'm going to need 1.5 cups of sushi rice, 2 1/4 cups water, 8 ounces of imitation crab, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 4 sheets of seaweed, an avocado, cucumber, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of sugar. And I also have pickled ginger and wasabi for serving. So let's get started. While we're cooking our rice according to the package directions, we're going to take our teaspoon of sugar, mix it with a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. We're going to mix these together and set them aside. Now it's time to prepare our vegetables. We're going to cut our cucumber in half and actually peel it. Now we're going to take and cut it in half lengthwise. We're going to take a spoon and scoop out all the seeds. Now we're going to cut it lengthwise in thin strips. Okay, now our avocado. We want our avocado to be ripe but firm. We're going to cut our avocado into very thin slices. We're going to set these on the side of our workstation. I've transferred my cooked rice to a bowl, and now I'm going to pour my rice wine vinegar mixture over it and gently mix together. Now I'm going to place my rice in the refrigerator to let it cool down.
Now it's time to assemble our California rolls. We're going to take a cup of rice and put it onto our piece of seaweed. We're going to layer this down evenly so that the rice is on all 4 corners. We're now going to use 2 pieces of our imitation crab, a couple pieces of cucumber next to our imitation crab. And last but not least, we're going to add our avocado next to the cucumber. We're now going to roll this up into a tight spiral. We're now going to cut our sushi roll into 1/2-inch pieces. You can sprinkle on an optional sesame seeds for the extra nutty flavor. Let's try one. That's delicious. This looks and tastes delicious. Thanks for cooking with us. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.